be there, come on.
Oh yes.
Because the weekend we na park kakra.
No more.
Wedding room, born soon in Namua.
Weekend in Ohana will be frame from Dunina. And I say na in share from for a day na mo ye Dunina mo cars be brace and I'm so yeah market tobacco.
Ne papa
from unti ye change pa wo. Nje don bia ase obi
Josephine
Josephine ama ne ye ne papa yi bia yeda o mase Dunina for net yenka. Yes omo te yenka wo pa. Rich and me be trabutu kakra.
No problem.
But the me ba be ye no simple. Who's a Friday me catch say you starting roll over be or betway. Na Friday no roll over day 1 ne boy. Then Saturday roll over day 2 boy. Then Enra roll over day 3 boy. Inti ya completely roll over no. Inti say oh nipa kono
start. Inti what the outside things is all bad saying.
So on the 100 cities they start here. Some 2,700. So and I bet you some win boost. Inti o ka be 3,000.
Onya hiu.
Oh, why you be? Why you be?
From any person that
you better enough for rich. Why you be? Papa. Yeah.
What the trick?
I'm going to grab a big advance of winning match. Ni BP a costro. Now even and now grab go for winning. Go for a place any message say they not Benfica in until they had to cash out.
Okay, Tim, who's a brand TV seven now? I say, okay.
They had to cash out. Imagine, say, Rich only 100 cities in bar. First then, what the 300. Second then, what the 900. Now, what do 900 cities out of 3 or so? Now, Abia, Benfica, Ebo, Washa one, Neatica. No room into the second half. Now, probably this as a go. Now, VARs, everyone it out. Now, Rich. 2,700 na ye ma o cash out be e bi 1,002 go for see okudi o mo yi o bitika enti late na Jose Mourinho be change and abanti bi be head ball no tunwa Benfica 18 e win e enti nim ye go football rich they don't want to stop at day 3 they want to carry forward fair enough ye obi won so see o ye ka say ye no 1 to 3 into my 1 to 3 maybe say started for they are fine into them roll over no day 1 for the normal person but it could be day 4 for be I'll give it say or say or twice so into them buy and 4 in front you know I only brought the rollover code no for more than 3 days continuous and then I'll join in so ubeti me I join it binti omo mu share any there code no BW3A 9E5A F1 3W3A 9E5A F1. Oh, my social and I say, oh, my WhatsApp platform, any Telegram, quite the one and on a patu to crowd da. I'll bet me a cabin to say, I'll bet me screenshots. Now also, what joining a roll over no at the air Norwich. Send them a gas and a mutual to know. And then with your permission, you know, if you're into my minister to free.
And no one supported you was your point game no. So of course I do was in Pabua Kama. Your point no I could do no says I was done in Pabua said you. Your point game no. The now question from go on to ref you class say time I be na at the penalty you
last one I just say in Pabua.
It was in a nice and all could do no so say me some Pabua. Kumai D
Rich Enra
beach ya bottom.
Say wo Kumasi now your Kotoko dia sa side there. Breach ye kese and a boy. Now my picture ya masa me beka Kotoko for yaw. They are still the defending champions of the MTN FA Cup. Now Rich, a free Friday, ABC and Ra, we've had some wonderful results in the MTN FA Cup. And this is what the MTN FA Cup represents. Atramo Divisa Child 11 won this 4-0. Nations SS Wedro All Blacks 2-1. Mediama AJ out Samates 4-2 on penalties. Said they know a two na. Then on Sunday, True Life, Heart of Lions, AU 3-2. Dreams share Interlies 4-2. Then Tamale Liberty Youth, Eshe RTU 3-0. And a Brekum Chelsea so will Brekum Eshe Tamale City 1. But the main focus is on Enradia Koso and Barbara Sports Stadium. Now, Rich, you see, who said Power Sports? We are very, very fair when it comes to our analysis. Didn't you fair and say we don't do analysis with too many emotions? And we are measured with the way we want to judge. Yenyampa and you will present the facts. Na omkomu mutie no ajaji. Enti anope, you will be disappointed if I am not here to crucify Karim Zito, crucify way. No. That is not the way I do my job. Maybe I say, Rich, let's try and explain. Enra, Choba Arrestika, any quote Karim Zito. And dear no more tries or more your park and why Aduana won. And we will start with Enra. Choba Arrestika, the first 11. On Saturday, no catch you say. Obia or share Kotoko against Future Stars Bia. Enim Abrantia or share 40 Gesi. Edema Aduana in Barfada. Obia or share Kotoko. Our Babaya against Aduana in the league went away with the name of Abrantia also number 8 Jesse. Edema Aduana Sedu Sana. Inti Anya Shekrano in the engine room of Aduana. Kotoko phone Barfada, formerly of Future Stars, and Sedu Sana because of the league, you know, game no more Baba Sports Stadium. No. But Rich, and who there, Coach Choba Arrestika Kotoko for, especially in the engine room. There was a Rasta guy, or number 4 Jesse, your friend Raymond Ajimine. And what do Raymond? Abeka bar for that mum at the seat, and I say they're in tactical, you're friend the base of Aduana Midfield. No. And what he said to Sana, who is not a number 10. No pushing the cause of Koboten Mami. And what I want you to do, and I say, Unya number 10. But me the whole ball just to put pressure on Kotoko transition. Then he played 2 young wingers in Benjamin Shivanu and Prince Otubwa. Our wings for Mkra. And all ball the striker in Omana Jesse Emmanuel Mafo. Then 2 and 3 there, Obia Enim, team my friend Aduana, Alex Boache, any Atronier 4 and 5. Then in 2 and 3, I remember Boating, any Abrantia, your friend, Abubakar Adams. And this is what team my friend Aduana, a bad game with him to do, Rich. In a decoy 4-3-3. And Kobian so say Kotoko Bebo Aduana, they will play Barfada any Sedu Sana. He decided not to do that. He decided to play Abanti friend Barfada with Raymond and almost Sedu Sana mum a woman. And Enra Aduana Fifi, there was no creative player. And Yabu from Gwa Yakobunia Yakomana Komumu physical game. And over 2 youngsters in Prince and Benjamin and Obo Emmanuel Mafo as a striker. It is all there. And when you are born and over the call rings, I want them crown war. Or more Nasi or Modeno, or more Betty channel. Say, in your striker Emmanuel Mafo, so he's very, very good at go. Any hold that play. And your boy back for me, you're strong. And the midfield over your boots. Then Kotoko came into the game. And look, coaching Eddie Rich, coaching Eddie Papa. When you look at the game, you think about it tactically. na u take decision na o de co park na so rich amfa on obiara beka say
unye coach
unni madwuma kra won ti le wo ye na se. But let me tell you what Coach Karim Zito did, which for me fun amfa, and I'm not saying say when you are doing it pepepe, I have my issues with him and I will make it known. He decided to go with Mo Kamara, then the 4 and 5 of Samba, any Henry Ansu, and Obo Joseph Amwa number 3, Emmanuel Kote number 2. Then Mfifino. Oye na you saw Obo Prince Bedu, Hubert Jau, and a Walid Nema as the number 10. Then Nenimu Hono, Obo Johnson upon our one wing. Abetawa on the other, Morofin Donsu as the main striker. Eti Kotoko also came into the game with a 4-3-3. Rich. Very, very simple. Walid, Embo the number 10. Now Ombo a 6 and 8 of Abrantia, Yefeno, Prince Bedu, and Hubert Jau. This way. Now Ombo a back 3. Now Albert Amwa. Embo na Morphin Donsu Embo na Johnson so Embo and one wing. That is what Coach Karim Zito decided to do. Now, Rich, under normal circumstances, how coach again so over starting game it's not wrong. Prince Bedu 6 standing. Hubert Jewu box to box number 8. Walid number 10. Enti Kotoko creative player Fifi as the number 10. Obi any Walid. So Obo the top professional footballer. Not only a good day, he's very good. Aduana Embo creative player. Obo train midfielders. Omo buga. Enti Enchankwani. Omo na bono no mu pepe, but physically they are very very strong. And Omo Rocky Omo Fifi Now Rich. Then came the injury to Emmanuel Kote. And all they have that Abeshia. No problem. The only thing they say Hamza ta anya natural right back. And on to me overlap, on to me crossing ball ye. But defensively he's solid. Oba kwa ma for ball emfa. Then Walid Neuma disappointed.
On me amoteno.
Also Babaji ball no ball. Say in your ball no 50 wa or you know in the creative area behind the strikers no ojibo no exactly the creativity no to train no or mass space no the or the ball is system strikers no national went me anya djuma no and the moment on number 10 in this 4-3-3 enti anya djuma no Rich, do you know what you do? You decide to balloon the balls because Rich obeying say Alex Bachi only Antonio 4 and 5 no more. Alex Bachi very good. When it comes to area situation, only height, but we will be Antonio from Tete.
But around like whatever, the income mechanism.
From Tete.
Oh, taku baby.
That is who he is.
The ref is around the crowd for bonus and not Antonio.
Sanot here. Young Konu defender.
Over Chelsea.
Yes, over Pimpemosa. Now, Rich, me Coach Karim Zito ya adwin di enti obo Morfin Donsu. Morfin ba Kotoko on she goes. But Rich, there is one thing you can never take away from him, the movements. Our park so the movements.
Well, that's sexy, no.
No, otete na bano koba. He always want to move the defenders around. And to me so say Coach Karim Zito so say oh say Ayatoniemi Alex Bachi na eba I need a striker obe for form only if me number 10 ni timi kwaji ball no na otimi jina ball no so 10 e face me strikers na and I move ni be adwuma but Rich because Walid failed afina Kotoko ball long balls long balls so pe what ball Alex Bachi ni Atoni
no matter for
about 50 they will head it about 50 they will head it it will show at a point in time Morofin had to move away to the wings, and Albert Amwa comes in as the Kotoko striker. And Morofin kwa walk a when you really area situation na Albert Amwa. Then that is why I have a challenge with Coach Karim Zito. Yeah, but second half. Which now you are lead. And what they said Kojo. Every game. Said Kojo on your number 10. Enti or they said Kojo Konechi as in the number 8. And what pushy who bet Joe as in the number 10. But Obiasu say who bet Joe number 10. Enti which unum. In the second half of Kotoko push so best almost a go. No. Unim dem who here. MTN FA Prince Badu Isco went deep on center line in Po. And about the 8 and 10 no. Ababa kind of our Kotoko deep line that you say. And there's a big hole. Toko Kessie. I don't maybe also Kotoko number 10 Bijano. Obi engineer. And to him, Prince Badu to me ball. What you born now said Kojo any who be jump bomb anymore. Rich no Oma Bashi Aduana phone. Aduana phone do Machaba. No more Bashi Mumu say. And to was a Prince Badu Kutabano Pajanesa. Oh, who will be on passing man? Whenever in between the lines, I'm more passable man. Now I have a similar problem. And I am saying this with pain because Rich, I know Karim Zito. I know Coach Prince Owusu.
Assistant.
Mean Gina had that and said they are not good coaches. Sebi. Me have not got me coaching course. They've gone to coaching courses. Karim Zito has won trophies. It means say I know man Koyamana and now you got something wrong. It doesn't mean somebody say oh a bad coach. But I was finding it difficult say Rich. Say Aduana for the Benfica. Not because Omu defending no. Who clearly say they are playing two lines of defense. One Kotoko any ball, and I say Omo Aduana any ball. Nobody has a come out from Kwawe anymore. Rich, they come in a 4-5-1 line, see. And you could clearly see on first back four, then the second line. In between side lines, you know. They in tactics so in between the lines, you know. Rich, into Coach Karim to Coach Prince. Me and can't player. They say, look, the missing point in our game, and they say there is a huge gap between your midfield and the attack. You know, I don't think they have balloon boss. You know, and to say who be Jehovah, and when we say we need natural number 10, but once you are playing that role, be aware, say you always come in between the lines.
How about your ball?
No, about your ball, not 10. The best we can get from Albert Amwa, Kwame Poku and any Belmu, any Saka down there in the Belmu, is to get the ball to their feet. I say possible no from now. Now, you're doing enough for 1v1 in isolated situations. See, I will say, Yama will be Joe Amba in between the line. Near the balloon border, you bet me about 2 days. You ain't even for born until at 2 days. Now, Rich, me, you know. Goalkeeper friend the Prince or say Aduana goalkeeper. Unima de Kuntia Kotoko for Hamza no. Na mani aje. I thought Hamza is one of the best when it comes to player minimum. Say not here. From community games Division 2, Division 1 course. Hamza with database of players pa. So a bit up way minimum. Look, Omo nim Prince or say no. And some come a bomb game na me by Tiaboate lady. Oh, because we like street football near there. No, catch him say Ayala, I am more Kotoko for him say this Prince or say he's a very good goalkeeper when it comes to penalties. Because the track record was second. And on a point, I have heard the goalkeeper say, and this goes into details are Rich. Technical team and they prepare for games. Major game, no. I had a belief say Aduana knew say, hey, yeah, ko baba against Kotoko. Maybe officiating can be funny. And see, yam prepare say game nim. Seni ya say ko kubon bare no. Kotoko bet me na penalty. Say Kotoko nya penalty a. I somewhere on a bad until let's watch the penalty clips. Our boy in so the goalkeeper Prince was say Choba Aresika told him after watching Samba video say omu your opponent will game anymore. Na Samba bejina ho he always play it to the right. And as I make catch and say to who right. To who pa make sure to one dive call. So to who ko na Samba tenyin ni nine na oshawa. Me na make catch us to who
Fablim ni mami.
Yes. Even when you know say obeso chim me say to who right.
So in the first half, Korowanya penalty. Samba Gujina home. Or boy keeper channel.
Yes, because you can't tell me say after studying the claims of Kotoko penalty taker until where Samba say penalty during the game. No, in the penalty shootout, what did the goalkeeper do? Still, Nikoti say onto the home right. Samba changing the nine. I don't know what to say left. Except nobody could blame him because Moses say Samba Nkwadia. Now, Rich, the penalties from Kwame Poku, the penalty from Saka Dauda.
Kotoko and penalties, you know. A case, a players and na omunimbo, and our coach is in Enjrom.
Oh no, a case and a BBR. A day no any day womb.
Because you
are Rich,
Kotoko, a bopana, I mean, competition you will be
Rich.
Say, never penalty in Quadrum.
Many penalties in Kotoko, Toyota Cup from South Africa.
That's the same. 1 out of 1,000.
And it means that on the day that they do their things, they win. And you don't go say BBR. Then so you know you win. And then say yeah, say. And then a goalkeeper MO be at so we have studied Kotoko penalties, you know. You need any information from Kotoko say they did that, but this is my observation. Me remember it's VVIP. Rich referee game now say you have a couple penalties. No. Then I saw the Aduana people pull their list. Until they've prepared. I could be wrong. But I saw the Kotoko players doing a meeting among themselves to decide. Which I was like, Second, you told the players. Decided he can do that. The editor I know he can do that.
I catch a place.
Yes.
So I
like no for Nhyira. No decided.
Okay, be away about first.
Yes, we decided how you play it. But the other team didn't do that. From the technical team had a list.
On the penalties.
One the way. Which in that situation, me as analyst, I don't have a lot of information, but at least them ni many know. Na eya mama who say I said you na for na prepare more than Kotoko phone on the penalties. Because I get say me who say technical team and the LED ekuta people cheer the ball. Then it means they prepare for it. But Kotoko phone them here, it was not for the players. Rich Obiara him say Mo Kamara on the penalties check. And he did his bit. O Sevilla les watch penalty. Which was the first penalty. Now Rich, how many times in the footballer team the first penalty taker assay penalty in regulation time? Nyako shoot out and he is still the team's best penalty taker and go and take it first. But somebody in there told us so. And I was disappointed in the captain.
Yes! Because after my dear now boss said,
of course.
You are the best
penalty taker in the team. Forget about you missing it in regulation time. Go and play it again. It is your responsibility. Now Kwame Poku penalty be ogo boy.
Asemo.
Chichine nase sana pa. Okobo share ensem.
Bon aso mo.
He mini minya Kofitela na ti.
Feeble shot.
Mini minya Kofitela na ti VVIP ho. Ana Saka Dauda eba. Ana me say Kofitela Saka Dauda obese penalty no. Osi o da bi ohobofo no 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 obo. Eto ni penalty bopa. Ana me say Saka Dauda na ani anim no obofo no. Eye Saka Dauda na anim ni. He has lost confidence even in the game. Kotoko create chance Saka Dauda. Only compose and put to slot it in. Na penalty we are pressure also. Manu and Sikra no kubo penalty ni share pressure sensem. Na me this video me and me take him out there into be antim kan jam say copyrighted aso me and me dey my phone e try rich me wie kura no chairman of Usuwaremo, they have a big problem. And no about stadium.
You share game no TV.
You share TV no. Anytime we are na cameraman and the camera them go to Ponechi scoreboard hono.
Aduana fans. What travel about we no.
What identified them as Aduana fans?
Biashe.
Uniform,
Kutabalu, green.
And even though money about Baba Sports Stadium, no, Rich, I am telling you, AB are the only people that could compete Aduana supporters, you know, a Pokupine tertiary for no.
Government thing.
And they are organized.
There's only the best 3 or 4 buses in the buy.
Look, sometimes when you are organized, you don't need a lot of numbers. Impact I will be making with 10 people when they are organized. Everything you between go for 200 when they are not organized. Kotoko for supporters and almost a stance in him. But Aduana came with a coordinated support. And it's a way player who put out teacher of us na who said the way move balloon, the way move to bomb, which is you can't say same for Kotoko. Apart from Pokupine tertiary.
Well, tertiary from anytime you're more VIP.
Yes, it's they are organized from Titi. And yet, chairman of Ofosu never organize you. And I look at them and I'm saying, look, there's a level to organize support, and Kotoko should learn. And when you put game, now fake. The way Aduana players in the call, fans, and the way they jubilated, they knew they've broken Kumasi hearts. And etimi omadumano bo rich boy the woman neighbor the oyire no ho na ehye enti enra Aduana planned the game, took it where they wanted to get the game to, and omo ehye na me say me boss Onyx Aba enti mami here on this note anopa we 1 hour ago you go to Kotoko omo X page ho, and this is the message. It is a setback, one that we least expected when you, our cherished fans, were behind us. We have faced challenges before and we will surely overcome this. Let's dust ourselves off and focus on the next fixture. Ukuma Pema Apembeba with this photo of Kumasa and Kotoko team. The next game
has a folk.
Fantastic.
Okay, insurance.